Hello. Hello. Okay. So we got the skull bones here, and we got see here the parietal, which is going to be here and here. The next is the frontal, which is located obviously in the front. The next on the list is the temporal, which is going to be located here on the side. Next on the list is underneath the sphenoid. Reminds you a little bit of a butterfly. It's a very large section. It kind of encompasses all this area down here and on up. It's got these like little wings. In the center here is where you're going to find the sella interstitia. And up here is you're going to find in this little, you can see it on a circular area, is going to be your ethmoid. And inside the ethmoid is the cribriform, which is going to be these indentations down here on each side. And on the next on our list is going to be the vomer. So let's flip this little guy around. The vomer is, no, I'm not lefty, so I gotta get my right hand here. The vomer is located here. Next is the nasal, which is going to be your nasals here. The maxilla is going to be this area. It does come all the way up, works its way down around the front, up, and then back all the way up. The occipital, normally we put the whole thing on, but it technically is just this back area back here, and if we had the top on, it would just kind of reach up here. Next is the palatine. I'm going to flip this guy over here. The palatine is this section here. There's two. And it's the one's going to be the closest to the nasals. Next is the mandible. Whoa. And the mandible is located here. Comes around and on up. Next on the list is the zygomatic. This is the zygomatic here. Not to be confused, as we work our way back, that would be the process, is this section here. And next on the list is the lacrimal. Lacrimal can be found in this section right here. Because this is your nasal. This is part of the maxilla. The next one back is going to be the lacrimal. Inferior nasal concha can be located on this side, as well as on this side here. Next one is the hyoid. The hyoid is underneath. If this was on a skeleton, we would see that it's sticking out kind of right where your skull and your neck would meet. And that's the first section on our list of skull bones. Next one will be the processes on the skull bone itself.